Alright, look at that.
Okay, that's so bad.
I mean, I wouldn't even want to get out of the car right now.
Yeah, that's so cool. Because if you got out and then you would just fly back into the window.
Are they stuck?
I'm gonna figure so.
Because that looks like a tow truck right there.
Or the tires broke down or something.
Are your lighty lights on in the back?
What?
Are your yield lights on in the back? Yield, something like that. To make sure like cars know. Oh god. We're turning around.
Are we going back?
Hey guys, what's up?
Be careful.
It's like Mr. K Squad. He's recording, I'm recording.
Yeah.
So yeah, right now, like there's a big storm out
Yeah,
there.
it's a really big storm.
I'm gonna send this clip to like everyone. I'm gonna post this clip to YouTube. I don't care. See, dude, the roundabout's covered.
Yeah, you should never go out there.
Like right now, you can probably kind of see it, but outside is just no.
Okay, bye.